Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will explain step by step how you can manage your order management with Lightfunnels and Google Sheets, integration, and how you can review your orders on Google Sheets. You can connect Google Sheets to your Lightfunnels account in just a few simple steps. To start the installation process, we go to the App tab in the Lightfunnels panel and click the Install Google Sheet button in Applications. To start the connection process, we press the Install button in the Google Sheets application and continue. With our Lightfunnels account, we select our Lightfunnels account that we want to connect to Google Sheets. We log in to our Gmail account that we want to connect with Install Google Sheets. And we have successfully completed the connection process. Now let's apply the steps necessary to create our report together. We have successfully completed the connection process. Now let's examine the other operations we need to do respectively. Use the Collect Orders link to track your orders on Google Sheets. You have two alternative ways to parse your order data. First way, Published Funnels or Stores option allows you to list orders from all your stores and funnels. The second way is Specific Funnels or Stores. With this option, you can only review your orders in the funnels or stores you want to check. Since I want to examine my data in all funnels and stores, I continue with the Published Funnels Stores option. I want to see my orders in a new spreadsheet. I select Begin with a fresh spreadsheet and continue. I am creating a new spreadsheet with Create New One, and I want my orders to be listed in this spreadsheet. I specify a name for the spreadsheet title and a name for my page. You can determine the name you will enter according to yourself. I set the name New Orders Table for the table title. For my page name, I set the name All Orders. On this screen, I will select the data I want to see in my spreadsheet. The list you see is very long, and there may be a lot of data you want to check. I leave the data I want to have in my spreadsheet and remove the others with the trash can icon next to each option. I have shortened my list quite a bit, and you can make your own list and map the data you want to see. If you do not make a selection in any of the options below, you can list all your orders one below the other. If you want to see the orders you want to list using the Order ID option, when you select this option, you will see the products belonging to the same order number on a single line. The item's price, upsell, and order increment will be separated by commas, and their prices will be specified separately. If you select the Product ID option, you will see your orders with the same product ID on a single line. Feel free to shape the data you want to see by changing the options. You are free to choose. I'm not going to select any option. I want all my orders listed underneath because I can come back to this field later. I can use the options to list them as I want. I have created my report. Now let's see how it will look in Google Sheets. Here is the row with the information of your report, and as you can see, there is a View button. I click on this button to view my orders in the spreadsheet. I have accessed the spreadsheets. As you can see now, I don't have any data because I created a new spreadsheet while creating a table. So what does this mean? From the moment I create this table, the orders I receive will appear in this spreadsheet. Now let's create an order like a real customer and check the data coming to our list. In this section, I quickly pretend to be a customer and create a few test orders. At the end of this test order, we will see how the data looks with Google Sheets. Yes, I have created a few test orders, and now in the Apps section, I will use my Google Sheets Lightfunnels link to display the list of orders I have received. The orders I received in the spreadsheets are listed in a sequential way. If you want to check more data in the table, you can add more data from the automation area. You can add more data with the Add New Column button. The point you need to pay attention to here is that when you select the data you want to control in the custom field list, you need to set a name in the column name field. Make this name the same as the name in the list. Add new columns and expand your checklist to check more data. Discover what integration can do. Now we will implement a different way of use. When multiple products with the same order number are purchased in your orders you receive from your customers, you will see the details about the order on a single line. The product price is shown separated by commas with upsell and order bump prices. This is the data I want to get on the automation screen. You can expand this table according to the data you want to examine. I want to quickly show how it works with an order example. A customer orders a product from your store. She purchases more than one product in a single order. They can buy more than one of the same product or buy different products and place a single order. Since this is such a scenario, the report you will receive with Google Sheets will look like this. We purchased 4 different products in a single order. According to this purchase scenario, we have checked how the products in a single order ID are listed in a single row on the Google Sheets screen. Let's examine what you will get with Google Sheets when you select the Product ID option. When your customers make multiple purchases of the same product, you will see it in a single row in the spreadsheet. Let's quickly create an order and see how it will look in the spreadsheet. Customers order multiple orders of different products. You will see more options on the automation screen according to the data you add. Feel free to develop your spreadsheets to examine your data. Now let's go to our Google Sheets screen. Let's see what kind of results we get. As you can see in the rows, your customer ordered more than one product. When you look towards the bottom of the rows, you can see multiple purchases of products with the same product ID. The product listed in the first 3 rows has the same order number. Your customer added different products to the cart in different quantities at one time and made the purchase. In this scenario, this is the result you will see in the spreadsheet. We have completed our Lightfunnels and Google Sheets integration, and you are familiar with how our order data looks like. Lightfunnels Academy continues to add new content on the platform so that users can use Lightfunnels more effectively. You can follow our academy to have more information and details about using Lightfunnels. Lightfunnels is easy to use, so you can use advanced features quickly and easily. The store and funnels templates you will use are free and fully customizable. This allows you to create amazing stores and impress your customers. It allows you to have high conversion rates. Start using Lightfunnels today with a 14-day free trial. Discover what you can do.